came like wind along the silent night. Your touch softened every corner of my heart. Though our destinies walk different lines, we meet in the calm where the rain begins. You sway like storms that never lose their grace. I bloom quietly in every step you take. Even when distance pulls our worlds apart, our souls return to where the echoes start. Wind and rain, we move in the same rhythm. Two stories written in one gentle horizon. Wherever time scatters our fragile names, love gathers us back in its endless rain. Across tall mountains and restless seas, you remain the heartbeat beneath my peace. No matter how far our shadows stray, we always find each other anyway. If the world forgets the steps we've taken, let the sky remember where we began. Two wandering souls with different roads, still choosing each other again and again. Wind and rain calling us through every season. Two hearts aligned beyond the reach of reason. Even when dawn tries to pull us apart, night returns and reunites our hearts. But love keeps leading us where we belong.